Jericho G. Tanyula, and today we'll be discussing about the pigeonhole principle. Introduction. The pigeonhole principle states that if you have more objects than containers and you try to distribute the objects among the containers, at least one container must contain more than one object. Application. Used in counting, proving the existence of certain configurations and values problem-solving scenarios. Overview of the pigeonhole principle. A basic principle in use in combinatorics and discrete mathematics to solve problem-solving in counting. This report how the pigeonhole principle can be applied to study functions. When you understand the dimension of the domain, codomain, or range of a function, the pigeonhole principle can help determine properties of the function, such as if it is injective or surjective. Pigeonhole principle. If n items are placed into a containers and n greater m, then at least one container will have more than one item. When you first learn, probably thought about function as if x squared plus 5, but the idea of a function is much more general. A function if x to y is a map from a set x to set y, so that each element in x is mapped to exactly one element in y. And also, the set x is called the domain and the set y is called the codomain or range of f. An important property of function is that every element in the set x can be mapped to only one element in the set y. Injective 1 minus 1. A function is injective, which is element in y can be mapped to by at most one element from x. This is an important property because if a function is not injective, then there is no inverse. For example, consider the function f(x) equal to x squared, which maps from the set of real numbers as the domain to set of real numbers as the codomain. Since if 2 equals 2 squared equals 4 equals minus 2 squared, f minus 2, there are two inputs to the function that produce the same output. So this function is not injective. However, the function f(x) minus x is injective, since only one input value can produce any output value.
Surjective onto. A function is surjective when every element in y is mapped to by at least one element in x. For example, consider again f of x equals x squared. Note that for any value of x and x squared must be greater than 0. As a result, any value in less than 0 can't be mapped by the function is not surjective. However, the function f of x equals is subjective since only one input value can produce any output value. Basic concept. Definition. If more items are placed into fewer containers than there are items, then at least one container must contain more than one item. Visual example. Imagine 10 pygons and 9 pygon holes. At least one pygon hole will contain more than pigeon. Formal statement. If n items are put into n containers and n greater than m, then at least one container must contain more than one item. Mathematical expression. If n greater than m, then at least of the n containers will have at least n m items. Example 1. Basic example. 10 pigeons, 9 pigeonholes. How many pigeons per hole? The pigeonhole principle guarantees that one pigeonhole will contain at least 2 pigeons. Example 2. Application. In real life, birthdays in a group of 23 people, at least 2 share the same birthday, assuming there are only 365 possible birthdays. Example 2. Applications. Handshake. In a room of people, if everyone shakes hands, at least 2 people will have shaken the same number of hands.
Hello everyone, and welcome to my report on the pigeonhole principle. Simple example. Pigeons in host. Here are n equal 10 pigeons in m equal 9 hosts. Since 10 is greater than 9, the pigeonholes principle say that at least one hole has more than one pigeon. Pigeonhole principle and functions. To apply the pigeonhole principle to functions, consider a function that maps pigeons to pigeonholes. In the 3 diagrams below, the set of pigeons is the domain, the arrows are the function, and the set of pigeonholes in the codomain. On the left, there are fewer elements in the domain than the codomain, or said another way, the domain is smaller. From looking at the arrows, no 2 pigeons get mapped to the same pigeonhole, so the function is injective. However, there is a pigeonhole that is not assigned a pigeon, so the function is not surjective. In the example on the right, the domain is larger than codomain. Every pigeonhole has a pigeon mapped to it, so the function is surjective. However, the bottom 2 pigeons are mapped to the same pigeonhole, so the function is not injective. The middle example, the size of the domain and codomain are the same size. Every pigeonhole is mapped to the exactly one pigeon, making the function injective, and every pigeonhole is mapped to making the function surjective. Since the function is surjective and injective is bijective or invertible. The importance of it being invertible is that if you are given a specific pigeon, you know which pigeonhole it will end up in. And if you are given a specific pigeonhole, you know which pigeon will go there.
Good morning, sir. This is my report. Pigeonhole principle. The general pigeonhole principle statement and item are placed into M contains then at least one container must contain at least n m item. Example, if 100 items are placed into 9 contains that at least one container will have at least 112 items. Example, the pigeonhole principle function at thinking about it this way is a very powerful. These ideas give a powerful solution for other concept, algebra, combination, and set theory. It has application in data compression and can it set a healthy starting point for learning more math. Application mathematics. Graph theory, providing that a graph has vertex with a high degree. Number theory, in problems involving divisibility or finding repeating number. Used in the proof certain numeric terms. Conclusion, summary in a Pingunhole principle in a simple but powerful concept in discrete mathematics in a spread big application in mathematics and everyday life. It helps provide the extent of certain structure of outcomes in combines number theory and of fields. Conclusion, summary, final thought, the Pingunhole principle may seem trivial but it often uncovers surprising results that are foundational in discrete math. Thank you.